We are headed towards Savannah. We've heard a rumor on the forum that Savannah is currently giving away 2 nights of free dockage, and rumor has it, we haven't confirmed it yet, that even includes electricity. Temps have been around the mid-90s right now, so some electricity would be very welcome. But in any event, we're going to go spend a couple nights in Savannah and have some fun and check it out. So that's where we're headed right now. We've been needing the new ship's bell. What do y'all think?
Oh, that's all right, Rangita.
I've got some leftover. It's a combination of black beans and corn, flour tortillas, some picante sauce, some hummus. It's red pepper, roasted red pepper hummus, and guacamole. And this is going to be our dinner, and it's all cold, refrigerated, so on a hot day this is nice. You don't have to run the oven or the stove, microwave, nothing.
Last night I was sound asleep, I don't know, somewhere early in the morning, and suddenly I got jolted out of bed to this loud bump, bang. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it was a loud noise. And immediately after that loud noise, I heard this bump, 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 bump. And I'm like, that sounds like a ball bouncing on our boat. Weird. It kept me awake for a little while. You always worry when you're docked in public places that somebody may think your boat is a place where they can crash for the night. So so I was laid awake for a little while listening, but I never heard another sound. Get up this morning and here's what I see laying on my deck. Have no idea where that came from, or why somebody was out here playing ball in the middle of the night when it was totally dark out. And was it an overthrow and it hit our boat, or were they intentionally trying to hit our boat? I have no idea. That's a first for me. We pulled into Savannah yesterday, and the dock is free for 2 nights, including electricity. And you can't beat that. That's awesome. But it's limited time only, so if you got a boat, you want to come visit Savannah without having to pay, you better get here soon.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm I'm moving on and on.
A couple of days ago when we were in Thunderbolt, we pulled our dinghy up to the fuel dock and there was a boat there that had an interesting name. So Marie struck up a conversation with them and got to meet them. It was a really nice couple named Steve and Terry on a boat called In Custody. And turns out he was a sheriff's deputy. And of course, I'm a criminal defense lawyer. And so we got to talking and they just seemed really nice. But you know, as it goes, we waved and said goodbye and left, and now we're in Savannah.
And we've been shopping the little shops, walking in and out, all of them, and buying a few things here and there, and come back to the boat. Ron went around to the other side to unlock and open the door, and lo and behold is Steve and Terry's card. And so they're in town, and they left the card for us, and we had just missed them. They got on a trolley to tour the town. So to all of our followers out there, don't be afraid to stop and say hi. I mean, we've had some people that, we had one actually that saw you in West Marine and was afraid to approach you, and later on his wife messaged and said, hey, were you in West Marine? And lo and behold, you were. And we met up with them and they were awesome.
And they become really good friends.
Yeah, and so, you know, we love meeting up with y'all. Don't be afraid to meet up with us.
So we're at the Gray Face Museum in Savannah, and if you come here to see the museum, one of the benefits, if you like arcades, is pinball machines. It's all these pinball machines. You get to play as long as you want for free.